You've seen the AI hype everywhere. Phones, cars, even fridges. But what if you could build your own AI assistant? Today, I'll show you how. We're diving into custom AI agents using ChatGPT. This isn't just about new tech, it's about making your life easier. Imagine an assistant tailored to your workflow, projects, or even meal planning. You don't need to be a coder, the tools are accessible to everyone. With custom GPTs, you can build specialized agents for almost anything. Writing emails, tutoring, organizing your day. We'll break down the process step by step, making it simple for anyone to follow. Think about the daily tasks that eat up your time, organizing notes, brainstorming, meal planning. A custom AI can handle these, saving you time and energy. For businesses, the possibilities are even bigger: internal help desks, customer feedback analysis, or marketing copy assistance. The goal: build something that works for you, personalized to your needs. I'll walk you through accessing the tools, giving your AI instructions, and fine-tuning its performance. The creative freedom is the best part. You decide its purpose, personality, and skills. By the end, you'll have the confidence to experiment and create tools you never thought possible. Ready to get started? Let's dive in. Before we build, let's clarify. What's an AI agent? A basic chatbot follows scripts and can only answer specific questions. If you go off script, it gets stuck, like a vending machine. An AI agent, powered by models like ChatGPT, is dynamic. It understands context, learns from instructions, and solves new problems. Think of it as a real assistant. It can take on goals, ask clarifying questions, and generate creative responses. The magic? Customization and external knowledge. Unlike a fixed chatbot, an AI agent can use your documents, data, or even live internet info. You can create a specialist agent for any niche, like answering company policy questions from internal docs. In short, chatbots answer questions, AI agents accomplish tasks. You define their purpose, personality, and skills. They remember conversations and adapt based on feedback. This is a leap forward in what AI can do for you. As we build, you'll see how powerful this difference is. Let's move from quanda to real problem solving. Let's get hands-on. First, log into ChatGPT with a Plus account to access the GPT Builder. In the sidebar, click Explore or Explore GPTs. Hit Create a GPT to start building. You'll see two panels: Create, where you chat with the builder, and Preview, where you test your agent live. The builder will ask what you want to make. Give it your big idea. It'll suggest a name, an icon, or you can choose your own. For example, let's call ours Daily Planner Pro. Don't stress about the name, you can change it later. Once you confirm, the builder moves to defining your agent's core purpose. The setup is conversational, no forms or code. You're just chatting to get started. As you talk, the builder fills out the necessary fields for you. You've just taken the first step to creating your own AI assistant. It's that easy. Let's keep going. Next, we'll define your agent's mission. Ready? Now give your AI a clear job. A vague goal leads to vague results. A focused goal creates a powerful tool. The builder will ask, "What will Daily Planner Pro do?" Think of this as your AI's job description. Be specific. You're an expert productivity assistant. Help users organize daily tasks by priority using the Eisenhower matrix. Present results in a structured, prioritized list. The builder uses your instructions to generate detailed rules. You can refine these in the Configure tab, but start with the Create tab for simplicity. Specify the output. Present the plan in a markdown table with 4 quadrants: do first, schedule, delegate, eliminate. Use fire and star emojis for urgent and important tasks. The more detail, the better your AI will perform. Clarity now means less fixing later. This is how you turn a generic AI into a truly useful agent. Let's move on to personality. Time to give your AI some character. Decide how it should communicate. Formal, friendly, motivating. The builder will ask about tone. Get creative. Upbeat, encouraging, positive, but direct and efficient. Add constraints. Avoid robotic language, jargon, and slang. Keep it simple and solution-focused. Test responses in the Preview panel. If it's too formal, ask for a friendlier tone. Tweak and test until it feels right. Personality makes your AI enjoyable to use. Clear boundaries ensure consistent, reliable responses. This step is all about making your agent feel like it's truly yours. Next, let's add knowledge. Your AI has a mission and personality, but let's make it smarter. Upload your own files in the Configure tab. PDFs, spreadsheets, notes. For Daily Planner Pro, upload a productivity book summary or your goals spreadsheet. Now your agent can reference your data for personalized advice. For teams, upload project docs so the agent can answer questions or draft reports. The AI synthesizes info, not just searches it. Want more? Use actions to connect APIs, link your calendar, get weather updates, and more. Actions add automation and interactivity but aren't required for a great agent. Custom knowledge is what makes your AI truly unique. Let's test and refine your creation. Ready? Now test your agent in the preview panel. Try its core function. Does it organize tasks as you want? Is the output correct? If not, adjust your instructions in Create or Configure. Push boundaries. Give it tricky or edge case inputs. See how it handles confusion or conflicting instructions. A good agent asks for clarity or guides you back to its purpose. The builder will prompt for feedback. Be specific about what works and what doesn't. Tweak tone, output, or logic as needed. Iterate, test, give feedback, and refine. This cycle polishes your agent into a reliable tool. Don't rush. Quality comes from iteration. Once it's working perfectly, you're ready to share. Let's see how. Happy with your agent? Time to publish. Click Save or Update, then choose who can access it. Only me, anyone with a link, or public. Only me keeps it private. Anyone with a link lets you share with select people. Public submits it to the GPT store for anyone to use. Pick a category to help others find it. After confirming, your agent is live and shareable. You can always edit and update it later. Sharing isn't just about utility, it's about community. See how people use your tool and get inspired by their feedback. Your creation could help thousands. Don't be shy. Put it out there. Ready for the next step? Let's talk possibilities. You've learned the process. Now what will you build? The framework works for anything: meal planning, finance coaching, resume help, and more. You can create a suite of specialized AI assistants for every part of your life or work. Let's brainstorm meal prep genius, finance coach, resume helper, brand voice guardian, code review assistant, digital therapist, travel agent. Each solves a specific problem, tailored to your needs. My challenge: don't just watch, try it. Start small in AI for email subject lines or daily writing prompts. Building is the best way to learn. You'll see how intuitive and powerful these tools are. This is the future, creating your own digital tools. The power is in your hands. So what will you build first? Go make something amazing.